Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Nike Air Vapormax 2019 Cactus Plant Flea Markets. Welcome to the app. So looking at the box, you see we have the all black box. Across the top, you got the glossy, large Nike swoosh logo. On the side, you see you have Cpfm Air Sunshine with a Nike logo with a glossy metallic silver finish, I would call it. I don't know. As we turn to the side, it's blank except for a black swoosh logo. On the other side, Cpfm again. But let's look at the label, man. Here it is, the Nike Air Vapormax 2019 Cpfm. Now, I ain't gonna dwell on the box too long, man, so let's get into it, man. Now, opening the box, these do come double wrapped, and on the outside, you have this beige paper with "Just Do It" with smiley face going across. And again, these are double wrapped. But enough of that, man. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Nike Air Vapormax 2019 Cpfm, also known as the Cactus Plant Flea Markets. Now, I'm not familiar with the name. I didn't do my research to see what this meant and all of this, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna have to go ahead and look that up for yourself. Or check another video, because I know other people done did the reviews on these, man. I'm late. I've been having some camera problems, man, so it is what it is, man. I'm trying to get back on the grind, man, trying to get this thing popping again, man. You know what I'm saying? So, we're going to go ahead and take a look around the shoe, man, and see if I can help you make your decision, man. Now, under the bottom, you see you got the red, the black, and the green Vapormax unit. Here's a look from the side. You see you got the green outline swoosh. You got your smiley face on the back. On the medial side, you see you got the "Just Do It" in white. Here's a look from the front. Top of the toe box. And here's your tongue. Now, these come with some super thick, fat boy, chunky laces. I'm talking about these things are thick, man. You know what I'm saying? So there's a closer look at it. Hopefully you can see it. But they also come with a pair of extra laces. I know you can't really see it that good, but y'all got to bear with me, man. I told you I'm going through some things with my camera, man. I'm trying to get everything back up popping. You know what I mean? But let's get back to the kicks, man. Now, looking at the other shoe, which is the left foot, as you can see on the outside, you have the "Just Do It" in black. Now remember, that was on the medial side of the other shoe. Now here's a look from the top of the toe box. Here's a look at the medial side. See, you got the green outline swoosh. And on the back, got the smiley face. Here's a look at the tongue. Give you a closer look at the tongue. There you go. Yeah, so let me let you see the insole. Now, I know you probably can't see it the way I'm showing it, but this is the left foot. You might be able to see the L. Let me give you a closer look at that in a second once I show you the other one. Like I said, they got the colorful insole with the L for left foot. And on the other one, let me get this shoot tree out of here. On this one, you got the colorful insole with the R on it. Like I said, no, you can't see it. So you know what, let me let you get a better look at it right quick. Okay, so here it is. Alright, so other than that, man, I think it's a dope little shoe, man. I'm feeling it. You know, so in case y'all kind of confused about what's going on, you see you have the white "Just Do It" on the medial side of the right foot, and you got the "Just Do It" in black on the lateral side of the left foot. So they alternate everything on the shoe, man, and came out to be a nice little shoe, man. Now here's a look at the top and show you the different shades on the shoes. As you can see, one of them has like a greenish tint, the other one more like a silverish gray. Here's a look at those smiley faces on the back. Now this shoe is not for everybody, we know that. I heard this is a women's release, so I'm not sure. If you know anything about it, let me know. But all in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. I don't have no complaints about it. It's not really my size, because I'm a big guy, man. When I put on them Vapormax, man, them things be on fucking flat, you hear me? You did? But it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what y'all think about the Nike Air Vapormax 2019 Cactus Plant Flea Markets. Like I say, I think it's a dope shoe. But I want to know what y'all think about them, man. So look, y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PetlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, share a video. Put somebody on the channel, man, because we still on the rise, you hear me? And I'ma holler back.